Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of Fabric Espresso. My name is Filip, and today we have a special topic for you. It's ingesting your data into warehouse. And for this purpose, we have a special guest today, which is John.
Hi there. Thank you, Philip. My name is John Hoang. Hi, everyone. I'm a principal program manager here at the Fabric Customer Advisory Team. It's great to be here in Fabric Espresso. Today, I will discuss data ingestion for Fabric Data Warehouse. There are several ways to ingest data into your Fabric Data Warehouse. Factors that can determine the best method include what is your latency requirements? What is your skill set? Your persona? What data sources are supported for each of these options? So we have four categories. We have data virtualization, data replication, UI-based, and T-SQL. The first is data virtualization. This feature is called shortcut. Think of it as symbolic link. It is an object on OneLake that references to other internal or external storage locations. This provides zero copy, real-time access to your data. You can create shortcuts within the Fabric workspace. These include databases on Lakehouse, Warehouse, and QQL. You can create shortcuts for artifacts within the workspace and across all Fabric workspaces. You can create shortcuts outside of the Fabric workspace. These include storages such as ADLS Gen 2, Amazon S3, and Google Cloud Storage. Now, keep a lookout for another Fabric Espresso video on shortcut coming in the next few weeks. So the second method is data replication. This feature is called mirroring. It provides near real-time replication on OneLake. It automatically converts your source database into Delta file format. You can replicate full or incremental data with near real-time latency. The current databases supported are SQLDB, CosmoDB, Snowflake, and of course, we are adding other databases to the list in the roadmap. Keep a lookout again for another Fabric Espresso video on mirroring coming in the next few weeks. The third method is the UI base for the drag and drop citizen developers. Fabric Pipeline provides that no-code, low-code data factory Synapse pipeline ETL experience. It has over 40 connectors to support all the popular data sources. Fabric Dataflows Gen 2 provide that no-code, low-code Power BI Dataflows ETL experience. It has over 145 connectors to support all the data source your organization requires. And finally, the last method is the T-SQL developer. This method provides high-speed ingestion for the data on external Azure storage, such as ADLS Gen 2 or Azure Storage Blob. The files supported are CSV and Parquet. For the scenario where you need to copy data across workspaces or from Lakehouse to warehouse, or within the warehouse, you can use CTASs or insert into. CTAS is where you use it to create new table, whereas the insert is used to copy data into existing table.
Awesome, John. So, John showed us few methods how to ingest data into your warehouse. You can use shortcuts. Shortcuts do not ingest the data directly, but basically you access the data directly from the source without copying. And you can use it if you have a Delta tables at the source. Then there is a replication or mirroring feature, which mirrors databases like Snowflake, Azure SQL DB, Azure Cosmos DB into your Fabric warehouse, meaning the data is automatically converted into analytical format, optimal for analytical scenarios, without any ETL built by you. It's fully automatic. Then you can use UI-based solution like a pipelines or Dataflows, which is a graphical user interface where you drag and drop components, basically no code or low code approach with the many connectors that you can use to tap into different sources like SAP, HANA, Oracle, or others. And finally, you can use T-SQL, right? Because this is a Fabric warehouse. And in the next episode, we'll talk a lot more about the T-SQL approach and some pipeline approach. And I guess I covered it all. John, did I?
Yes, you did. It's pretty much complete. So thanks again for inviting me to the Fabric Espresso. Enjoying sharing the information with you and looking forward to future sessions.
Thank you, John. We're happy to have you here and happy to host you in a next episode. If you like the content, please share, like, subscribe. Leave the comments if you have any questions or topics that you would like us to have covered. As usual, this is Philip and this was John. Bye.
Bye bye.